Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. You have responsibilities, that's why you have an Odyssey. You like to have fun, that's why you drive a Honda. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Bluetooth streaming audio, push-button start, dual-zone climate control, Honda Link, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.